हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योगिता फ्रॉम इंग्लिश फिनिशिंग स्कूल एंड आज जो क्यू कार्ड मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ दैट इज अ लॉ ऑन एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन. So this cue card is very important for your upcoming IELTS speaking test, and you need to watch this video till the end because at the end of the video I'm going to give you the sample answer which you can use as an idea in your speaking test and do the best. So without wasting any time, let's start. Describe a law on environment protection, and you should say what it is, how you first learnt about it, who benefits from it, and explain how you feel about this law. So these are the cues. So this is how we can develop journal idea about this cue card. First of all, we will discuss about certain statements which we can use in the beginning and can create variety in a cue card. You can start somehow something with the line like healthy environment. And there are different words for environment like surrounding, ecosystem is the source of life for every being. And then one more line, like you can start your cue card with the quality of a life entirely depends upon the quality of our natural surroundings. You can also say something like much awareness has already been spread across the world about the need to protect the environment, and also many laws have been imposed by the government regarding it. So these are some general statements where you can start your cue card with. And then let's discuss some vocabulary words which you can use in this cue card, like imposition of the law, or you can say implementation of the law, are two different things. Impose को law करना, law को create करना is something else, and law को execute करना, उसको practice में लाना और उसको enforce करना is something else. So you can use such words when the law is enforced on people, how generally it gets benefited. Then how did you come to know about it? आप various words use कर सकते हैं. I came to know about it from a social media platform. You can talk about any social media platform like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. And then you can also talk about a newspaper article. I read an article in the newspaper. You can even mention the name of the newspaper like the Tribune, the Times of India, Deccan Chronicle, like that. Or probably you heard a podcast. You heard a podcast on basically a law and you came to know about it. You read a blog about it and you watched a documentary. So anything you can say that is how you got aware about this law. Then probably this law helps people, common public. It is for the public welfare or for common citizens, or you can even say people get rid of their various respiratory ailments. For example, there was a law enforced in Delhi about the ban of you can say petrol and diesel cars. On a particular day, they would only drive CNG. So that actually got a great relief for the Delhi people, and pollution rate was very much reduced. So there are various other laws related to the environment, like ban of plastic bags was introduced again that also got a relief because it's kind of it fills the land, like anything, it chocks the landfills. So that is how this is also a great law which we can talk about. It's a rescue, it's a panacea and real relief for the people because these kind of activities, these kind of laws curb the pollution and they reduce the pollution rate. And then if put into practice, sometimes law are executed, law are actually imposed, but they're not put into practice. And but definitely if they are enforced properly, they people get hugely benefited. And this law benefited the urban areas. कौन से area को benefit किया? Rural areas or total environment. And then reducing harmful emissions in the air. This is also, if like you talk about any industrial emissions, that also if it is banned, that definitely it will reduce the harmful emissions into air. अभी डिस्कस करते हैं इसका मॉडल आंसर which you can use for your IELTS exam as an idea. Do not memorize it word to word, but take an idea and develop your own cue card and then present it. The government of every nation implements laws time to time for the development and the protection of living and non-living resources. Many laws have been imposed by the government in the past to reduce the rate of pollution. The environment awareness programs and campaigns are also being organized to encourage people so that these laws could be enforced properly. Here, I will talk about a law which I got aware of after watching a documentary on National Geographic Channel. It was basically a law to stop the hunting of wild animals like tigers in the country I live, that is India, so that their extinction can be stopped. The law was discussed in an international convention called CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, which took effect in July of 1975. This royal animal, that is tiger, is considered to be the king of the jungle and has become an endangered species now, leaving a huge negative impact on our environment. This law, if enforced properly, will hugely benefit the wildlife species and our ecosystem, which is our natural environment where we breathe and survive. I consider it as a prime responsibility to save the wildlife and the forest culture. Otherwise, I believe our future is going to be bleak and we are going to face many more such life threatening pandemics as we are facing the one now. So this is all about this cue card and stay blessed till the time we post our next cue card. Do subscribe this channel to get connected with us thoroughly and continuously, and I'll pray for your best future in your IELTS exam.